Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do topic 60 of paper 2. Paper 2 topic 60, and here we are going to discuss protective cultivation. Protective cultivation. So what is protective cultivation? It is growing of crops in a controlled environment. Growing of crops in a controlled environment. Importance or a kind of protective cultivation is nothing but it is a kind of greenhouse. Mainly protective cultivation we use greenhouse. So we can or role of greenhouse. So it is related to greenhouse only. So importance and role of greenhouse. What greenhouse does? It enhances proper distribution of light and avoiding sunlight directly to plant. Proper distribution of light and avoids direct sunlight to plant. Secondly, it enhances energy efficiency. Thirdly, control of microclimate like humidity, lighting, etc. Control of microclimate like humidity, lightning, etc. Protection against diseases, pests and other vermins. Protection against diseases, protects from disease, pest and other vermins. There is excellent ventilation in a greenhouse. Excellent ventilation. Optimum sealing against rain and wear. Optimum sealing against rain and air. Increased production, it increases the production. There we can do production of off-season crops. Production of off-season crops can be produced easily because here the climate can be controlled by us. Ability to grow all year, it has ability to grow all year. Production in regions of adverse weather condition, it can be produced in adverse weather condition, regions of adverse weather conditions, because inside the greenhouse we have the conditions what we made, and these the adverse conditions do not affect so much. Optimize use of other technology to facilitate the management of climate. Optimize use of technology to facilitate management of climate. So now these were the advantages, and now what are the regions of low adoption of in India? What are the disadvantages, or you can say regions of low adoption of greenhouse in India? Disadvantages or the regions for low adoption in India. Why greenhouse is not much adopted in India in high frequency? First of all is equipment malfunctions. Many times equipment malfunctions. Initial cost is very high. Knowledge of various factors are required to efficiently control climate inside the greenhouse. High knowledge is required to efficiently control climate inside greenhouse, which is lacked by our, which is not known by our rural farmers. Lack of credit, less policy implementation. There is less policy related to greenhouse implementation by government. No policy, less policies by government. Improper there is improper extension services to know farmers about this. Hesitation in farmer to shift to this. There is hesitation among farmers to shift to this. Lack of awareness in rural areas, no awareness in rural areas. So these are the some of the disadvantages which led to low adoption of greenhouse technology in India. Now one question was about in this protective cultivation only was asked about plastic tunnels. What are plastic tunnels? These are miniature structures producing greenhouse-like effect. Miniature structures producing greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. So what kind of this? Suppose this is a crop. These are crops. So this plastic tunnel is over them. It is not a big tunnel like greenhouse, but it is normally kind of over them. Okay. These are plants, or these are small low plastic tunnels. These are small low plastic tunnels. How does it enhances greenhouse effect? Because they facilitate the entrapment of traps CO2. They trap CO2, thereby enhancing the photosynthetic activity. What it does? It enhances the photosynthesis, increases the rate of photosynthesis, and it protects plants from harsh weather such as rain, wind, and also protects from harsh weather such as rain, heavy rains, wind, hail, snow, etc. And they are mainly used for raising nursery. So what are its major advantages? What are its major advantages is, first of all, advantages: protects from hostile climate, helps in early seed germination, also helps in off-season cultivation, that is round the year cultivation, and mainly healthy saplings can be raised. Sapling. So this was about plastic tunnels. Now what are the factors we need to keep in mind through which we can create factors that determine cost and return analysis of fruit cultivation, fruit production? Cost and return analysis of fruit production, and what are the factors that determine it? So first of all is area and location of plant sites. Area and location, where is the plant located, quality of soil. These are the factors on which cost and return analysis is determined. Soil quality, the soil quality will be good, so hence the productivity will be good, hence the returns will be good. Irrigation, what kind of irrigation we use. Fertilizers, what we use. Pest and disease management. Harvesting, transportation, harvesting, availability of seeds and plant, what kind of seeds were there, quality of seeds and availability of seeds. If the seeds will be of good quality, good variety, then obviously the yield will be high and return will be high. Marketing, transportation, government initiatives and schemes, storage, preservation and packing, post harvest management, processing industries. Because what happens, processed food are always costlier, so processing of food can enhance its return. Profit after sale, and the most important, profit after sale. So these things determine the cost and return analysis of fruit production. Hope you understand this. So that is all for today. For any queries, do comment. If you like it, please press the like button, do share and subscribe. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.